All right, fifth graders, so this is lesson 3-8, solving word problems using multiplication. You are allowed to use a calculator on this lesson, but just, because I think it's a little bit faster sometimes, and because I want to show you how to do the multiplication, I'm going to just do it on paper, but feel free to grab a calculator if you would like one. Kevin's family took 239 photos on their summer vacation. Marco and his family took 12 times as many photos on their vacation. How many photos did Marco's family take? Solve this problem in any way you choose. So the big things for 3-8 is you need to make sure that you have an equation. For every problem, and I want you to have an answer, sentence, and make sure you have a label. So if you have all three of these things, you will be good to go. So we have 239 times 12. If you're solving this in your book, go ahead and solve and then check with mine when you're done. So I did my work and I got 2,868, but I want an equation for this chapter. So 239 times 12 is equal to 2,868. This is an equation. This is just showing your work. Okay, don't forget equations go left to right and they have an equal sign. I would like an answer sentence. So Marco's family took 2,868 photos, and that is my answer sentence, and I have a label right there, so I am good to go. On the look back, we've been talking about estimation a lot this chapter. So this one just says, how can you use estimation to tell if your answer is reasonable? 239 times 12 was my original. And you are supposed to estimate first. So I don't like how they ask you this after. But a couple different options here. I could go to 200 times 12. I could do 200 times 10. But because I rounded down so much, I wanted to keep this 12. And 2 times 24, or sorry, 2 times 12 is easy. That's 24 with 2 zeros. And then another way to use, this would be like kind of rounding incompatible numbers. Another way to round this, I thought would be to just do 250 times 10, because that's compatible, 25 and 10. Oops. Pictures. Another way to estimate could just be to round this to 240 times 10, because I can do that in my head. I wouldn't pick 12 because I don't know what 24 times 12 is in my head. And remember, estimations are supposed to take less than 3 seconds. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. So this would be a reasonable answer. But all three of these, 1 and 2 are actually the same. 3, they're all very, very similar. They're all close. Remember, with estimation, keep it close and you can't go wrong. Are they close to the 2,800? Yes, they are. So is my answer reasonable? Yes. My answer is reasonable. Because 2,400 is close to 2,868. I feel like I'm missing something, but here is estimation using rounding or compatible numbers.